Welcome to the Handshake tutorial series. Today you'll be learning how to make an appointment at the Career Center. After logging into Handshake, you can click the Career Center tab up at the top corner of the page. After clicking on Career Center, click Appointments. Then click Schedule a New Appointment in the blue box at the top left. Then choose which best describes your position as a UGA student. Read the descriptions of the different types of appointments. You may need to talk to different people depending on the purpose of your appointment. Once selected, a calendar will show the specific consultant's availability. Select a time and fill out the information, including the appointment medium, which could mean that you have a phone or a Skype appointment. You will get an email confirming your appointment. Thanks for joining us today, and contact the Career Center if you have any difficulties making an appointment with your consultant.